In this tutorial, I'll show you how to undo changes in Notion and quickly restore them if needed. These shortcuts work across pages, databases, and most other content in Notion. Let's get started. If you make a mistake, such as deleting text, moving a block, or editing a page, simply press Ctrl plus Z on Windows or Command plus Z on Mac. Notion will immediately undo your most recent action. If you undo something by accident and want to bring it back, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Z on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Z on Mac to redo the last action. You can also use the Edit menu in your browser or operating system if you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts. On mobile devices, use the available Undo option if it appears, or tap the back arrow when editing supported content. These shortcuts work for most edits in Notion, including text changes, block movements, formatting, and many database edits. That's how to undo in Notion. Thanks for watching.